Good morning, my friends. So I wanted to show you guys something I've been working on. If you watch this channel for a while, you already know I have pumps that fail, plants that wilt, bugs that show up, and usually I don't catch it until I happen to walk out here. And every time that happens, I end up thinking, man, I wish something would have told me. That's kind of where this whole thing started. So I'm a software engineer during the day, and I love growing food, and eventually those two things collided. I started to ask myself, what if my garden could keep an eye on itself? So this is what I've been building. It isn't finished and it's definitely still work in progress, but this is the AI Grow Assistant app. And right now it keeps track of my reservoirs, my grow logs, photos over time, and AI observations. So basically, instead of me trying to remember everything that happened over the last week, the app remembers. And this is probably my favorite part. I've got cameras out here taking pictures of plants, and those pictures get analyzed. The goal isn't to have AI grow plants for me. It's just another set of eyes. So if something starts to look weird, maybe leaves start drooping, maybe plants change color, and maybe something doesn't look right, I want to know before the plant gets to that point where I'm making one of those, well, I should have caught this yesterday videos. And honestly, everything that's happened out here has influenced how I'm building this. The wilted strawberries, the pump issues, the tomatoes getting eaten, and the plants that bounce back. Every mistake ends up turning into another feature. So I do have a long way to go, and eventually I'd love for this thing to monitor the entire greenhouse, send alerts, keep track of trends, and maybe even help predict problems before they happen. That's the vision anyway. We're not there yet, but we're getting close. So if you're interested in seeing both the garden and software grow together, I'd love to have you along. So let me know in the comments what's something you wish your garden could tell you before it became a problem. I'll see you guys in the next one.